In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status in ClickUp. If you're new to using ClickUp or simply looking to streamline your workflow, changing the status of tasks efficiently is a crucial skill. Let's dive right into it, step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to clickup.com. From here, log into your ClickUp account using your credentials. This is your gateway to accessing all your spaces, tasks, and the robust set of tools ClickUp offers to boost your productivity. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Spaces section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of workspaces. Your next move is to select the workspace where the task whose status you want to change is located. This not only helps in organizing your tasks, but keeps you focused on the specific area you're working on. Now, with your workspace open, the next step is to locate the list view. ClickUp is known for its flexible task views, but for status changes, the list view is your best bet. By clicking on the list view, you're provided with an organized layout of tasks in that workspace, making it easier to see the statuses and manage them effectively. In this list view, pay particular attention to the status column. Look through your tasks, and when you identify the one you need to update, simply click on its present status. This action opens up a menu that displays all available statuses for that specific task. This menu is designed to offer a quick way to see all your options and make the change you need without breaking your workflow. The final step is straightforward yet important. From the status menu you have opened, you'll choose the new status for your task. ClickUp allows for a range of custom statuses, so make sure you choose the one that best fits where your task is in its life cycle. This could be something like in progress, review, completed, or any custom status you or your team has set up. By doing this, you ensure everyone involved in the project is aware of the task's current state, reducing confusion and enhancing team coordination. And with that, you've successfully changed the status of a task in ClickUp. Remember, keeping your tasks updated with the correct status is key to maintaining a smooth and productive workflow. Regularly updating task statuses helps your team stay aligned and aware of the progress being made. As you become more accustomed to using ClickUp, these actions will become second nature, integrating seamlessly into your day-to-day task management repertoire. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in mastering ClickUp.